This is the garment rack from the Honey Can Do brand, which is from wayfair.com. So I'm showing you a quick assembly, which is very easy. So it came with the base, the connectors, the locking casters, the hanging bars. So with the base, it was easy to just connect it with the base horizontal and the base, the black ones. And then for the connectors, everything is set up as well where you can just install it right away. So that's the adjustment piece. There's two pieces for the adjustment. This is the left and right adjustment piece, which you will just screw in because it's all just assembled. You just screw in like the lower vertical and the upper vertical bars, so that locks in the bars together easily. So you just have to repeat the process, same process as the other piece, the adjustment piece, and then that's it. You put in the hanging bar on the top and all assembled just like that, fast.